P20 Pro crash as Huawei set to reveal a radical update this week. The P20 Pro is about to get a radical upgrade next week, but that means there's very good deals to be grabbed on this current flagship. There's a huge week ahead for fans of the Huawei brand, with the firm set to announce its all-new P30 Pro. This new device will replace the current P20 Pro, which is now about to celebrate its first birthday. When the P20 Pro launched, it took the world by storm with a number of features that helped it collect numerous awards in 2018. With a triple rear camera, huge battery, and fast processor, this device was universally praised, with express.co.uk stating that, "Finally there's a Huawei phone you'll actually want to buy." However, all good things must come to an end, and that seems to be the case for the P20 Pro, with a huge update expected within hours. Although not confirmed, we are expecting the P30 to come packed with a quadruple rear camera, even bigger battery, and more power under the hood via Huawei's Kirin 980 processor. Other extras might include an embedded fingerprint scanner under the new edge-to-edge display and the ability to refill other devices via reverse wireless charging. To back up many of these rumors, some recently leaked images appear to show the P30 Pro in all of its glory, with that 4-lens setup and giant screen all visible. We'll find out full details on Tuesday when Huawei reveals all, but before that big release, there's some decent deals on the P20 Pro. Many retailers such as Cutties and Argos have already dropped the price of the P20 Pro to £599, and there's even the option to buy a refurbished model on Amazon for under £450. If it's a contract you are after, then things also look good, with some online stores selling this phone for as little as £23 per month. Here's some of the best deals on contract. P20 Pro £23 per month includes 1 GB data plus 1000 minutes and unlimited texts up front fee £0 total price, over 24 months, £552. P20 Pro £29 per month includes 20 GB data plus 1500 minutes and unlimited texts up front fee £0 total price, over 24 months, £696. P20 Pro £26.99 per month includes 1 GB data plus unlimited calls and texts up front fee £29.99 total price, over 24 months, £677.75. P20 Pro £28 per month includes 9 GB data plus unlimited calls and texts up front fee £29.99 total price, over 24 months, £701.99. P20 Pro £33 per month includes 20 GB data plus unlimited calls and texts up front fee £0 total price, over 24 months, £792. P20 Pro £29.95 per month, after £204 cashback, includes 20 GB data plus unlimited calls and texts up front fee £0 total price, over 24 months, £718.80. These are all good prices and will be much cheaper than contracts offered for the P30 Pro, but remember that before buying this older device you are aware that it will be outdated from Tuesday.